सर
26वें ऑल इंडिया जेपी अत्रे मेमोरियल क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में 16 टीमें हिस्सा ले रही हैं, जिसमें 2 टीमें पंजाब की हैं, हिमाचल प्रदेश की है, यूपी क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन है, बड़ौदा है, दिल्ली की टीम है और बाकी क्लब्स हैं, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है और CAG है। तो बड़े अच्छे मुकाबले होंगे और पहला मुकाबला जो शुरू होगा IS 15 स्टेडियम में होगा। ये 1 तारीख को होगा, जिसकी शुरुआत करेंगे मिस्टर चेतन शर्मा जो कि चेयरमैन हैं सीनियर सिलेक्शन कमेटी BCCI के, वो इनागोरेट करेंगे टूर्नामेंट को। और हर दिन कम से कम 2 मैच होंगे, किसी दिन 3 मैच भी होंगे। सारे मैच जो हैं ये IS 15 स्टेडियम मोहाली में, सेक्टर 16 क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में, महाजन क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में और सेक्टर 26 की क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में किए जाएंगे। और हमें उम्मीद है कि इसमें जितने भी लोग फ्रिंज प्लेयर्स हैं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की टीम बाहर खेलने गई हुई है और वो उसके अलावा जो आने वाले भावी क्रिकेटर हैं वो आपको इसमें देखने को मिलेंगे।
और मेन कौन आ रहे हैं फाइनल वाले दिन?
फाइनल जो है 12 तारीख को किया जाएगा, वो IS 15 स्टेडियम में खेला जाएगा। 50 ओवर के मैचेज होंगे और पहली बार इसमें ये रंगीन कपड़ों में खेले जाएंगे और क्रिकेट की वाइट बॉल लगाई जाएगी। 4 बॉलें एक मैच में यूज होंगी।
कुछ नियमों में भी चेंज किया गया मैच को अच्छा करने के लिए?
हाँ, ये किया गया है कि इस बार पहली बार इसमें हम लोग सफ़ेद बॉल से खेलेंगे और 25-25 ओवर एक बॉल चलती है, तो इसमें मतलब एक मैच में 4 बॉलें लगेंगी। Purpose and we, while thanking PCA, we are thankful to the 4th state on, because over this tournament in the press, and it is now, if not the international, at least it's a national kind of an event which happens. So we want to have the best of the playing conditions. I always mention that we are thankful to the organizations like the Punjab Cricket Association, which is giving us the best of the playing conditions. Now I think since we have a very Mr. VK Kapoor, who is one of our patrons. He is to leave for some other engagements, because you see, can you imagine, for pulling out his time for this, he was sitting next to the governor of the state and he walked off. He said, I have to go to another function. And you imagine how big is this function. Also, I would request Mr. VK Kapoor, IPS, to please bless all of us here and the tournament. Mr. VK Kapoor.
And all friends and admirers, it's an honor to be here and to have people, distinguished people like Mr. Mr. Vivek Atre is doing an excellent job, and wherever his father is, he must be feeling very happy that he's a good boy and a brilliant guy, and he's doing it. And he's doing very sincerely, and also doing it in a very professional manner, and doing very well. And I'm grateful for all of you to come, and we wish it a very great success, and I'm very sure you will all succeed. Thank you. God bless you.
Now, you see, thank you, Mr. VK Kapoor, for your words. Now I would request Mr. Deepak Sharma, who has also grown with this tournament. Let me tell you, almost about the same number of same number of years that is put on, and at this juncture I would like to remember Mr. MP Pandav and Mr. IS Bindra in their contribution towards making this tournament a national and international kind of event. Now I would request Mr. Deepak Sharma, the CEO, to share his thoughts with me.
To Vivek ji and the organizing committee of the JP Atre tournament, I can assure all of you, PCA is always for cricket, and this is one of the PCA tournament. PCA takes pride to host, to associate with the JP Atre tournament. Punjab Cricket Association has organized around 275 matches in the last 3 months, having more than 500 playing days. I think this is one of the most matches in whole of India organized by any state. So we would be always standing by, providing all the assistance to the JP Atre tournament. JP Atre tournament is one of the curtain raisers. Always, whenever the BCCI tournament starts, it is the curtain raiser. It provides opportunities to so many players who had gone to play for nation, who had become very big names. So JP Atre tournament has provided the much needed exposure to all the players. So thank you very much, Atreji. We will continue our association with this tournament, this prestigious tournament. Thank you.
You see, I would now like to say is an institution in himself at such a young age. And now he will let you have his vision on as to what this tournament is all about and what we have achieved over the time. And of course, our patron and chief man here will be having the last word, that is Mr. Chandrasekhar. Now I would like to request Mr. Vivek Atre to throw light on this 26th edition.
Thank you very much, Captain Kapoor. Respected Mr. Chandrasekhar, former DGP. In absentia, Mr. VK Kapoor, who has just left, former additional DGP. Mr. Deepak Sharma, the CEO of PCA. And Captain Sushil Kapoor, our one-man army, lifetime organizing secretary, who has just crossed the score of 80 with a 4, I think, last year. वैसे लाइफ में चौके चलते नहीं, सिंगल लेना पड़ता है. He has just touched 80 last year, so congratulations on the 80 landmark. He was calling me a young boy. वैसे मुझे young boy बोलेंगे तो अंशुमन पीछे खड़ा है, वो पता नहीं बेबी है, टॉडलर, बिल्कुल ही क्रेडल बेबी है. So, but many of us have grown with the tournament, just like he said, Deepak has. Many of the media persons have also grown with the tournament. And if I can for the first time name my photographer friends, many of them have also grown with the tournament. Because we have become a tournament of 26th edition, middle, because of various reasons, but normally we have had it every year. And PCA has been the biggest foundation on which we have held this tournament, because we get BCCI earlier as our chairman for a long time, and Mr. VK Sharma was one of them, and Mr. Kalyan Rudra, former DGP of Punjab, Jaswant Singh, आप जानते हो उनको, वो first, he was DGP when my father passed away. He was the first chairman of our tournament. And Mr. Kapoor came to me one day after my father passed away, 1 year after that, or maybe 6 months after that. He said, Vivek, tournament करते उनकी याद में. So I was so thrilled, and I was feeling that it's a good gesture. Because people say that it is difficult to keep it going, but we started in 92, and here we are in 2021. Where we are still at it, and the friends, the circle, the kind of French का word है bonhomie, camaraderie, वो भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So let us hope that we carry on. And media, we need your support, we need your goodwill. I'm very thankful to Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mr. VK Kapoor, Mr. Deepak Sharma, and also in absentia Mr. Rajinder Gupta and Mr. Puneet Bali, and Mr. Sanjay Tandon and the Chandigarh administration, others, for having supported us, the sponsors, my thanks to all of them. Trident has virtually sponsored the tournament this year. They promised to sponsor it for another 2 years also, like BCCI. We have also got a contract for 3 years, hopefully. And we hope, and that is why we have offered them that the trophy will be named after Trident. And we have done that once before also for a major sponsor. So JP Atre tournament, and the cup will be called the Trident Cup. And our headache is gone because of that. So we are going to enjoy the tournament, we are going to organize the tournament well, and we hope that we will have great cricket. One last point is that we will, लेकिन फिर भी for the last almost decade, Mr. Chandrasekhar is our chairman, and also Mr. Before Kapil Baji arrived, and I received Kapil Dev probably at the station or maybe at the hotel, I don't remember where. and he asked me only one question. He said, यश ने कितने छक्के मारे कल और कितने लंबे मारे 16 सेक्टर में। यश के छक्के तो आपको पता है, फिर यश, of course his nephew is coming as chairman of selectors to inaugurate our tournament in case I forget, वो भी बताना जरूरी है। Kapil Dev was very interested to know how big, and ये 92 की बात है when Kapil Dev and Yashpal were in the retirement mode, or probably retiring or retired. Right? And unfortunately for Kapil Dev, his team lost the very first match. Chandigarh 11, Swill 11 lost to Chandigarh 11, and Gurinder Singh, who is now the selector of UTCA, hit a brilliant century. I remember my friend Sunil Sharma, who passed away, also played that match. Kirti Azad played Swill 11, and many others. So we are missing a few people from this tournament. ML Sharma ji, Sunil Sharma ji, and hopefully everybody else is around. Abhi batting chal rahi hai, so we have not lost anyone else because we have had a great piece of goodwill over the years. Goodwill का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है life में. आजकल I am a motivational speaker. All of you are plus 40 except maybe 2-3 of you. Sorry, maybe 5-6 of you. So let me tell you कि life में goodwill का कोई मुकाबला नहीं. Goodwill is the earning of life. And if you have goodwill, then even in a dire straits or difficult situation, you will find that somebody is there for you because you were there for him. It's give and take or love or bonding or friendship. So not wanting to make this a motivational speech, but just to say that I am thankful to all of you. And we hope that this tournament, with the help of PCA, with the help of Chandigarh administration, with the help of our volunteers, most of whom are sitting on that table, some on other tables, over the years we have had this team of volunteers who have never taken anything away from the tournament. They have only added their blood and sweat and their hard work to the tournament. Also, and Mahajan Cricket Ground also will see 3 matches. Sorts of stories from the tournament, थोड़ा माहौल भी बनना चाहिए. माहौल ये बनता है कि एक बार कपिल देव आए थे खेलने. He came in 2000. He came in 94 probably, and Yashpal Sharma, who we lost recently. First edition or second edition where I remember NP Singh होते थे Air India वाले. And Dobal या कौन था वहाँ से, Dobal also passed away. They were sharing the trophy because of the rained out final. Could be the first or second edition. After that, we have never had to rain off at least the final. And of course, the cricketing conditions which we give, the tournament gives to all the teams are probably superior to any in India at this point, just after the monsoon or even during the monsoon. Because if it rains in PCA, I know that they can start the match within 45 minutes, let's say. Maybe it's a tough deadline, but rain stops, match starts after a while. Similarly in Mullapur, I'm sure, with the new stadium. And 26 sector also has done very well in this regard in the past. 16 sector is also improving, let's say. Improve. 2 years ago, Sabah Karim was the GM of cricket of BCCI, and I had to discuss with him the dates because they have to play 1,000 and more matches in 1 year nowadays. The BCCI has to organize. So he said कि आप 1 सितंबर को कर लो, otherwise आगे नहीं हो पाए. Last 2 years ago, we normally used to have it in the second part of September, going to October. But एक बड़ी विचित्र बात है, which is very strange. Sir, आपकी notice में लाऊंगा. कि एक बड़ी strange बात है कि hopefully, God willing, first half of September the rains recede, and second half of September the rains are back. So second half of September actually turned out to be more difficult for us than 2019 when we had from 1st to 10th September or something with hardly any rain. Of course, today we are missing our rain gentleman also, and that 97 or 98, Mr. ML Sharma also passed away last year. And ML Sharma ji was our treasurer. He used to pray that rain will not come, and many a time there is a legend in our tournament. All the boys know tournament, which we will distribute to the players and the officials and others. So hopefully we will do something unique please be with us all the time. Thank you very much. And Mr. Chandrasekhar is here. Before, instead of Mr. Kapoor, I would like to introduce him. Mr. Chandrasekhar has been a known face in Punjab, in Chandigarh, in North India, in the whole of India in many ways. A very dynamic police officer in his time. I have spent many hours in his office while this tournament was being organized when he was DGP at that time. And we have had some great times, sir. And also Mr. Chandrasekhar has been a doyen of hockey, as you know. So great sports lover. And I am going to let him announce the special occasion of today. Although you all know it, but you have forgotten, some of you have forgotten what is the special date today. So why we are having this press conference today, one of the reasons is that also we are happy. Mr. Chandrasekhar, over to you.
सबसे पहले तो आपको नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे की बहुत बहुत मुबारकें। ये मेजर ध्यानचंद की याद में मनाया जाता है और इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी ऑनवर्ड्स अब समझिए कि सारी दुनिया में मनाया जाएगा। इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन, ऑल स्टेट ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन, ऑल स्टेट स्पोर्ट्स फेडरेशन इसको अपने अपने ढंग से बनाएगी। तो मुझे याद है कि जैसे विवेक जी ने बताया, फ्रॉम 1988 ऑनवर्ड्स I was president of Chandigarh Hockey. Only recently, वो जो हमारा आजकल जो स्पोर्ट्स कोड बन गया है, नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स कोड, तो उसके मुताबिक फिर हमें all good things come to a close. तो तकरीबन 32 साल चंडीगढ़ हॉकी का प्रेसिडेंट होने के बाद कुछ महीने पहले ये मुझे जिम्मेवारी से फारिग हुआ हूँ, पर अभी भी इन्होंने मुझे चीफ पैटर्न रखा है, जो कि प्रॉबेबली आई कैन कैरी ऑन विद दैट ड्यूटी। इसके अलावा माय प्रेडिसेसर्स, ये खतरे जी ने, सुशील कपूर, शर्मा जी, वीके कपूर साहब ने बहुत कुछ बताया है। आप सब नोन फेसिस हैं, हर चीज पहले से जानते हैं। कई बार आप देखते हो, जैसे बताया गया कि टूर्नामेंट को देखते ही पता चलता है कि आप कितने सीनियर हो गए हैं। तो आमतौर पर लोग अपने बच्चों को देख के अंदाजा लगाते हैं कि लोग कितने बड़े हो गए हैं। तो इसलिए हालांकि मुझे 10-12 साल हो गए हैं यहाँ पे शामिल हुए, पर मैं आज आपके सामने कन्फेस करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टेन हैंडीकैप्स, हॉकी भी आ गई और भी आ गए, प्रोफेशनल भी आ गए, कुछ सोशल भी आ जाते हैं, दिमाग पे 100 चीजें चलती रहती हैं। मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि माय बेस्ट इन क्रिकेट एज ए चेयरमैन ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट इज येट टू कम। तो आने वाले दिनों में आप मेरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट इसमें और बेहतर और बढ़िया देखेंगे और पहचानेंगे। अभी तक I may have been able to make a normal contribution or whatever, you know, or as required. जैसा कि मुझे वक्त लगा कि इससे काम चल जाएगा, पर मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले दिनों में my best is yet to come, and I will do my best for it. तो यहाँ पे इनफैक्ट कल परसों ही मेरी बात हुई थी ये श्री ऋषिंदर गुप्ता से। मैंने रूटीन में बात की थी, मैं सोचे उनसे कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन लिखा है, तो पुराने जानकार हैं, तो कहते कि हम ही करवा रहे हैं, तो भी लोकता जी होगी। तो इसके बावजूद भी मुझे लगता है कि जो वो दे रहे हैं वो तो दे ही रहे हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कुछ और भी देखेगा इसे, बेहतर से बेहतर इसको बनाया जाए, ये मेरी आप कोशिश भी होगी और आपके लिए मैं ये वायदा भी करता हूँ। तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद, जय।
जी सर।
26वें ऑल इंडिया जेपी अत्रे मेमोरियल क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में 16 टीमें हिस्सा ले रही हैं, जिसमें 2 टीमें पंजाब की हैं, हिमाचल प्रदेश की है, यूपी क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन है, बड़ौदा है, दिल्ली की टीम है और बाकी क्लब्स हैं, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है और CAG है। तो बड़े अच्छे मुकाबले होंगे और पहला मुकाबला जो शुरू होगा IS 15 श्रेणी में होगा ये 1 तारीख को होगा, जिसकी शुरुआत करेंगे मिस्टर चेतन शर्मा जो कि चेयरमैन हैं सीनियर इलेक्शन कमेटी BCCI के, वो इनागोरेट करेंगे टूर्नामेंट को। और हर दिन कम से कम 2 मैच होंगे, किसी दिन 3 मैच भी होंगे। सारे मैच जो हैं ये IS बिरला स्टेडियम मोहाली में, सेक्टर 16 क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में, महाजन क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में और सेक्टर 26 की क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में किए जाएंगे। और हमें उम्मीद है कि इसमें जितने भी लोग फ्रेंच प्लेयर्स हैं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की टीम बाहर खेलने गई हुई है, और वो उसके अलावा जो आने वाले भावी क्रिकेटर हैं वो आपको इसमें देखने को मिलेगा।
और मेन कौन आ रहे हैं फाइनल वाले दिन?
फाइनल जो है 12 तारीख को किया जाएगा, वो IS बिरला स्टेडियम में खेला जाएगा। 50 ओवर के मैचेस होंगे और पहली बार इसमें ये रंगीन कपड़ों में खेले जाएंगे और क्रिकेट की वाइट बॉल लगाई जाएगी। 4 बॉलें एक मैच में यूज होंगी।
कुछ नियमों में भी चेंज किया गया मैच को अच्छा करने के लिए?
हाँ, ये किया गया है कि इस बार पहली बार इसमें हम लोग सफ़ेद बॉल से खेलेंगे और 25-25 ओवर एक बॉल चलती है, तो इसमें मतलब एक मैच में 4 बॉलें लगेंगी।